two hearts we're going to put in, and we have two t-shirts. Now, if you want to do, you have to just take off the lid and then take off the stuffing and then just open up the stuffing like this. Now what you want to do is put the lid back. Now what you want to do is take your teddy bear and then you're just going to put it on this little nozzle. Now once your bear skin is on the machine, then you just crank it. You have to stuff it all the way. So it's okay. You stuff it in the arms and legs with your fingers. You stuff the whole thing. Now, you still have to stuff the whole thing. Once again, use your fingers. So, then you just have to stuff it in. Stuff it all in. Now, one bag of stuffing will stuff one bear. So, the whole stuffing's in, but we need the heart. Now, we're gonna put the heart in. We're gonna put the heart. Then we're gonna just zip it up. It's zipped up. Then we're gonna just put the shirt. Then we're just gonna put the shirt on. So the shirt will be put on. Now that the bear is all done with the heart and t-shirt, we're gonna wrap it up. So put this down, and then we're just gonna wrap it up. Now that the bear's wrapped up, here's the birthday present bag. So now we're gonna put the teddy bear in. And happy birthday, Mom! Happy birthday to